Hi, I'm Heather from Heather Handmade, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Sewers Club sewing subscription box. So at the end of the year, last year, I decided I wanted to get a sewing subscription box, and I would buy a whole year at once, and then I would do unboxing and maybe working on the project to do little videos so you guys can see what are in some of these boxes. So let's open this box and see what's inside. So I've already done the tape, and then we're going to open up and see what it is. So this first thing, this is a fold and go sewing wallet. So this is a pattern to make this quilted wallet, and it has all of these different pieces. Here are some cards. So this is January 2021. It says there is the wallet pattern. Then there is some fabric and some fusible fleece, a magnetic snap, a zipper. So this is the card that explains everything that is inside. Oh, there's some extra special bonuses. Key fob hardware, silver handmade tag, some thread. So here is the magnetic snap for the wallet. Here is a metal handmade tag that you can use on the wallet. This has key fob hardware and some really pretty palm print fabric. Here's some white thread. It's great to always have thread. And then these really pretty fabrics. So you can see that they are the fabrics that the wallet is shown in these fabrics. All of these different fabrics. And all the fabrics coordinate. I think it's all from the same line. Here is a zipper with this really fun flower zipper pull. And here is the fusible fleece. I think it's the right amount for the pattern. I really love this navy fabric with the leaves on it, kind of like a palm frond leaf. It's just, I just love the simplicity. So I'm going to try to make the whole wallet out of this. I'll see if I have enough in the box. If not, maybe some of the inner pieces I can do the other fabrics. But I love this fabric. I think it is so pretty. have finished the Fold and Go sewing wallet. So I put the nice little handmade thing right here on the front. It has the magnetic tab for closing, and you open it up. It has a pocket here. It has 2 pockets here with a space for clips, and it has a zipper pocket right here on the side. This project was really fun. I had a lot of fun making it. I think this will be great for when I want to bring little sewing projects or even crocheting with me when I go, when I'm waiting for my kids in the car, or I'm, you know, out at the park or something. It's a great handy little wallet. I love all of the organization inside. I think it's really smart. I decided to use all of the navy fabric with the frond print. I really like the color. I really like the colors, and I like that it can kind of, I just like it when something is all of the same fabric, but that's just personal preference. The box also came with some of this white floral fabric or this navy floral fabric, so I'm going to have my daughter use this fabric so she can make something fun and exciting. I think she'll love getting new fabric. I also can't wait to make the key fob because it will match this, and I think that's just so fun to have the same fabric.